Before embarking on creating a website like Alibaba, conducting thorough market research is crucial. Analyze current e-commerce trends, consumer behavior, and competitors to identify opportunities and challenges. Understanding your target audience's demographics, psychographics, and pain points will help tailor your platform to meet their needs effectively. Choosing the right business model is vital for your platform's success. Consider options like business-to-business, B2B, business-to-consumer, B2C, or consumer-to-consumer, C2C. Each model has its advantages and challenges, impacting revenue streams and growth strategies. Select a model that aligns with your long-term goals. To replicate Alibaba's success, focus on essential features. A user-friendly interface with intuitive navigation, advanced search and filtering options, and multiple payment gateways are crucial. Additionally, a robust ratings and reviews system enhances transparency and trust, encouraging user engagement and repeat business. Selecting the right technology stack is fundamental. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento offer varying levels of customization and scalability. Consider backend technologies like PHP or Python for efficient server-side operations, and front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for responsive, dynamic user experiences. Effective website design and development are key to success. Start with wireframing and prototyping to visualize user interactions. Develop the front end using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, ensuring responsiveness across devices. For the back end, choose a suitable programming language and integrate APIs for seamless functionality. Thorough testing and quality assurance are essential before launching. Conduct functional testing to ensure all features work as intended, and performance testing to assess load times and traffic management. Implement feedback loops to gather user insights, enabling continuous improvements and enhancing user satisfaction.